Okay, now see one question for this board. This question is from electron configuration. Now, in talk say a particle contains 8 protons, 9 neutrons, and 7 electrons. Could be written as, see the options here. Now, first of all, make I tell you one thing. How did they calculate protons? Proton, neutron, and electron. How did they calculate for them? If, for example, I get one species X, then I have Z here, I have A here. Z now the protons, N which is the number of neutrons. Now A minus Z, A minus Z. The answer A minus Z. The answer na your neutrons. Then E na your electrons. That E will be the same thing as protons if the particular atom not carry charge. So in this case, this particular species not carry any charge. That is, you not see whether positive charge or negative charge. So which means P and E, that is proton and electron, now the same thing. Now in this case now charge species. Now which means proton and electron not go be the same. So anywhere you notice say proton and electron not be the same number, no say na charge species. For example, 8 protons, 7 electrons, not be the same number, na charge species, which means something has happened there. Now, since na 8 protons there, na 7 electrons there, it means say the species don't lose 1 electron, it don't lose 1. And you know say for chemistry, positive sign they go with loss, and negative sign they go with gain. Now, which means the species must be a positive sign. Now, how would I answer this question? For example, look at the question. It says 8 protons. So which means my answer can never be C. Tell me why. The reason because here the talks now 9 protons. So the number what you get for here may be your proton. Like I call this place Z, which is the proton. So this place cannot be your answer. Now let's check about this one. Also, A cannot be your answer. But I think before I say na charge species, which means that is protons and electrons, not the same thing. So it must carry a charge. This one not carry a charge, so it cannot be my answer. Now I will battle between B and D. Now for B, for this B, 8 protons, of course, the number here, neutrons, that is 17 minus 8, that is 9. For electrons, that is normally supposed to have 8, but it has lost 1. That's why 7. See my answer here. My answer is C. My answer is B. See, this value here correspond to what they give us for this place. I hope so you understand. Because if this place is supposed to be, if now 2 there, 2 plus, normally, which means it's supposed to get 8, it don't lose 2, and 6 go there. But since now 1 there, 1 plus, it's supposed to get 8, it don't lose 1, now 7 go there. I hope so you understand. You understand? Ask me a question.